Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Poy and this is Pao, my wife. And welcome to our Japan vlog series. Today is our flight going to Japan via Cebu Pacific, Narita Airport. So yeah, we'll see you. Yep.
Your final boarding gate assignment is at boarding gate 107.
107.
Requesting all passengers on this flight to kindly proceed in front of gate 107 and stand by for your flight boarding announcement.
Alright, noted. Alright guys, see you later. Dito na kami sa Japan! Cute! Dito na kami sa Narita Airport. Dito na kami sa hotel. Pangalan ng hotel is Sotetsu Fresa Inn dito sa Toyocho. So meron silang mga free amenities here like Japanese tea, coffee, sugar, what's this? Razor. Ito. Hot and nuts.
Yeah, coffee.
Bath powder. Ito, tea.
Sugar.
Fruit cocktail fragrance. Ito yung room namin. So nice. So may TV. And then, I think this is queen size bed. May couch, mini table, and then the hallway. And then ito yung CR. Ito lang yung lalagyanan ng mga damit. So nice. So ito yung CR. So nice. At least heated pa rin. Hello. Ayan. The bathtub. Cute. Meron ding view outside. Cool. So, binook namin tong hotel via Agoda. So, lagyan na lang namin dito yung details ng hotel.
Ramen. May tubig. Bibili tayo sa Family Mart. Ah, sige. Ayan tayo.
Yay! Lalabas kami, pupunta kami ng ramen shop. For dinner. Yes. Dito kami sa tabi ng hotel na ramen shop. Order kami dito ng ramen kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Right now is 5 degrees outside. Oh no, I think it's 7 pero feels like 5 because it's so cold. Kaya magla-ramen muna kami. Ito rin yung seller na rin. Look.
Noodles will get some. Thank you.